Hey everyone, Lance Crane here from the Release Technique. Welcome back to the channel where we help you unlock your full potential and crush your biggest goals. Today, we're diving into the ultimate game changer for 2025, the 90-day accountability mastery program that starts on February 18th through May 16th. This program is your ticket to finally achieving everything you've dreamed of, whether it's losing weight, landing your dream job, achieving financial freedom, or creating a life of abundance and balance. If you don't believe me, see what some of our graduates are saying about the program.
And the 90-day program has really got me going because basically every day you wake up and you have a CAP call, which means courageousness, acceptance and peace. So you start your day with that awareness and you begin your day already with a little step towards freedom.
Sounds incredible, right? So how does it work? For 90 days, you'll be part of an immersive online course featuring weekly mentor-led telecourses, daily CAP calls to stay on track, and you will be assigned an accountability partner to keep you motivated. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality waiting for you with the powerful combination of the Release Technique and daily accountability. Here's the key. Success doesn't come from setting goals and hoping for the best. It comes from clearing the blocks that hold you back and building momentum. Just like an airplane needs speed to take off, you need consistent, targeted actions to soar above your challenges. That's where the 90-day accountability mastery program comes in. It's designed to help you gain and maintain momentum through the proven Release Technique. This technique is all about letting go of the negative thoughts and emotions that keep you stuck. Combine that with the power of daily accountability and you're unstoppable. Now it's your turn. The 90-day accountability mastery program starts February 18th, 2025, and this is your chance to make 2025 your best year yet. Don't wait. Spaces are limited, and this opportunity can change everything for you. Click the link below to sign up or call us at 818-279-24388 to learn more, or go to releasetechnique.com and go to live classes to register.